Here's the battery cable all done. We start at the battery end with the connections, and we run down to the master switch and it makes a connection there. We run to the chassis ground, then we run along the block and a ground to the block, and the final connection to the starter. So let's go put it in the Dragster. Okay, let's put the cables on. And it goes in through here, and down through here. Just a couple misconceptions. You can't get shocked by putting your finger across the battery like that. There's only 12 volts, or in this case 16 volts, which is not enough to give you a shock. However, there's lots of current here, so you can give yourself a burn. And by that I mean if you shorted something and had your finger there, you would burn yourself. But you can't give yourself a shock. A lot of people worry about that. It's a misconception. You can't do it. So put this ground in here like that. This end goes to the stud on the chassis. There's one. And then this is the ground cable that goes to the block. So that goes from the chassis to the block. And we put that on there with a bolt. And they will come back and tighten all these up. So that goes there like that. And then this goes up here to and gets grounded on the block. Okay, that's the ground side. Now we got to do the hot side. So for the hot side, we start with the battery and work our way forward. It's interesting with a Dragster, you can see everything, but you can't put your fingers on anything. Everything is in back of something else. So that goes there. Then I have a standoff that will start to bolt on. I'll stick that underneath. Like so. And tighten that up. Look at it, nice and tight, and holds it up out of the way. Then we'll run forward to the master switch. So this positive cable goes down on the master switch. Okay, and the final thing is to put the final cable onto the battery. All right, last cable. And we'll put it on the master switch. We'll make sure that the master switch is off, and we'll make sure the circuit breaker is thrown, so we got no power going to the chassis. Put that cable on there like that. Tighten this up. And this is going to go around like that. There we have it. Just go around and tighten everything up. But we have power from the battery to the switch, from the switch to the starter. We have ground from the battery to the chassis, and from the chassis to the block. So this project is done. Stick a fork in it. So one final thing, let's put this pan up so you can see where that goes. So obviously the wires had to all be routed around the pan, but it now fits. Okay, that's it. Finally, this is it. We're done. No more.